Facebook, oh! Facebook, you people should help me and my sister. Facebook, please. Governor, let's out here. We are from Abia State. Please help me and my sister. We are homeless, oh, they want to render us homeless. Me and my sister, we are orphans because we are girl child. They have money. They want to pursue us out of our father's house. Governor, let's out here. Look at him. He said he has money. He said he has money, oh. Please help us, oh. Governor, let's out here, please, oh. Help me and my sister, oh. We are homeless, oh. Look at my mother's grave, oh. Look at my mother's grave, oh. Governor, let's out here, oh. Woman affairs in Abia State, oh. Look at my father's grave, oh. They said because we are gay children, oh. Because we are gay children. They said they want to pursue us out of our father's house. Out of our father's house because they have money. Look at him. He said he has money. That he's going to use money and make sure that we are homeless. And let's go to please help us, oh. Help us and let's go to oh. Please, oh. Please help us, oh. Please make it go viral, oh. Because we are girl child, oh. They said we don't have any place in my father's house. Look at my younger sister. This is my younger sister because our parents are dead. They want to pursue us out of our father's house. Please, oh. Governor, let's out here. Please help us, oh. They are rendering us homeless, oh. They want to render me and my sister homeless because we are girl children. Help us, oh. He said he has money. He said he has money, oh. Because he has money, that he's going to make me homeless. Governor, let's go to Women Affairs, oh. Please come to my rescue. He said he has money. That because he has money, that nobody will talk for us. That nobody will come to our rescue. Women Affairs, oh. Governor, let's go to you. Facebook, oh. Please make it go viral. Thank the governor. Thank the Women Affairs, oh. Who's I calling, oh? Please help us. Guys, Facebook, Governor Lesoti, Governor Lesoti, come to my rescue. Governor Lesoti, because we are orphans, because we are orphans. My mother, my father, they are dead. This is my father's house. They said me and my sister, we don't have right. Governor Lesoti, Governor Lesoti, please come to our rescue. Governor Lesoti, please come to our rescue. This is them. They said we are not going to come into this house. Me and my sister. This is one of them. This is my father's sister. This is my cousin. They said we don't have any right to come to my father's house. That we don't have any right to enter my father's house because we are orphans. This is where they bury my mother. This is my mother's grave. This is my mother's grave. This is my father's grave. They said we cannot come in. Governor Lesoti, Governor Lesoti, please help me and my sister. Oh, please help me and my sister. This is him because he thinks he has money. Because he thought he has money, he wants to render us useless. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's the one that said we are not going to come in. Women Affairs, oh, come and help us because we are girl children. They want to leave us homeless. They want to render us homeless. Oh, Governor Lesoti, please help us. Facebook, please let it go viral. Facebook, make it go viral. TikTok, please make it go viral. They want to render us homeless. Please make it go viral because he has money. Because he has money. Please make us go viral. Please. Good morning, guys. I'm the lady that made a video yesterday about me and my sister, about me and my younger sister, that they want to evict us from our father's house, that as a girl child, that we does not have any rights in our father's house because we are girl children. This is my younger sister.
Hi.
Her name is Chiwando Kore. My name is Escalation Kore. And those people that you saw on video, the woman there is my auntie, my father's immediate elder sister. Her name is Ezioma
Mozirike.
Ezomu Mozirike. Then the other one that you saw, the guy that you saw, is my cousin. His mother is my father's younger sister.
And that is her first son.
And that is her first son there. That came and broke the key that we used to padlock my mother's room. We did not say nobody. My auntie used to live in my father's house when from the beginning when my mother passed. She was living with us in my father's house. We never for one day asked her to leave because she did not got married. We did not ask her to leave. Then this one room that me and my sister we are staying in our father's house, we locked the room. My sister and I, we are not around. They went and broke the padlock. They broke the padlock and they took my cousin's wife and her children that came down from Onitsha to that room. So when we now question, why did you broke that padlock without our consent, telling us, okay, oh, see, oh, give us information. This person is coming, want to stay here. Please, can we receive the key to open this thing? No information was given to us. Then when we now try to confront them, that was when my cousin was now telling me and my sister that as girl children, that we don't have any rights in my father's house. That we are girl children. That we don't have any right to come to my father's house and say this thing or that thing or that thing or this room, this person should stay here or that person should stay here. So this morning, I have been very busy. People have been calling me, messages has been coming from my constituency, House of Assembly, all the lawyers in my community. They have been calling me, giving me assurance that something will be done in this matter. Thank you so much, guys, for making that video to go viral. Me and my sister, we appreciate all the help that you guys gave us yesterday. And we promise to keep you updated. So they called us this morning
for a peace talk.
For a peace talk. We went there. The guy was saying that his own is that we should put that video down. That video is tarnishing his image. It's embarrassing. That we say a witchcraft act. That we are wicked. That we went to our mother's grave. We were crying. That if anything to happen to us tomorrow, that they will now come and say he's the one. I said, if anything happened to me and my sister tomorrow, he will be held responsible because of the things that came out of his mouth yesterday. Me and my sister, we expected him to come. We expected him to come and make peace. But he came there. He embarrassed us. He said we are nobodies because we are girl children. So our community, they have called us. They said we should put down the video. But guys, I need your opinion because you guys now are my warriors. Because he made it clear that we do not have anybody. That he will use money to frustrate me and my sister. So he made us to understand that money now rules the world. So you guys now are my soldiers. So anything that you guys said I should do, me and my sister, is what we are going to do. So is this video coming down? Because the community have assured us that this matter, they will look into it. And that for now, we should allow that my cousin's wife to stay in the house. Since they came for holiday, they are not going to carry the house and go. When they travel back, that we can lock the house. And my aunt, that the problem is that place. I want everybody to vacate, guys. Please, let everybody leave my father's house for us. Abia state government has put it in their constitution that girl child have the right to inherit their father's property, which the house member that came to that meeting this morning told him in the person of Honorable Ijiriji Ndubisi.
Honorable Emmanuel Ndubisi, Ijiriji Bende South constituency. He was present in the meeting.
So he told them that it has been passed that nobody should drag any land with any girl child that they have the right to inherit their father's compound, their father's house, their father's property. So that
they
is
sold our father's land, all his lands. They sold it. Now they want to chase us out of that little house that we were managing. Why? How? Like how? I don't get it.
So guys, that is the update now. I say let me keep you guys updated so that you will know. Maybe you can wake up tomorrow, you will come online, you will not see me. They have come to pick me to go and lock me, or carry me and my sister to go and lock us because they have money. Because they have money. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Love you, people.